This is Infinix Note 30, and today I will show how you can turn off the block offensive word feature for the Gboard keyboard on this device. So first you will need to launch settings, then open the system category, onwards go for the language and input, physical keyboard, or actually not physical, excuse me, on-screen keyboard of course, then open the Gboard. For some reason it does not opens from there. Oh god, so then let's see where we can open the Gboard settings from then, since it does not allow us to do so for some mysterious reason. Okay, anyway, then you can just open its settings from the keyboard toolbar like that, then open the text correction and turn off the block offensive words toggle. So that will be it. Thanks for watching and bye bye.